Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today we have a puncture. Well, it's been there for a while now, but I decided to fix it today. So my tire, I'll show you now. So as you can see there is a nail that went through there. So it's been giving me a slow punch. So from time to time, obviously, I have to refill the tire. So today we're changing it together. Let's do it. So guys, that's basically that. As you saw, here it is up close. But if you want to test it, you can just grab some water, okay, and then you can just pour it on there. Can you see? No bubbles anywhere. That means it's sealed up. And that's how you actually just do your own tire, repair your own tire if it's got a puncture. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing well and heading for those dreams of yours. Until next time, thanks for watching.